Dave Snodgrass from Snodgrass Chevy Restoration, Melbourne, Florida. Little 55 Chevy convertible come out of the shop that we do. We pretty much do the resto mods and the Tri-5s. This little 55, we put the little LS3 in it, 430 horse. It's a small one, but very nice plug-and-play unit, very efficient. It's got the 4L60 transmission in it, right from GM. Just a very user-friendly piece. Very happy with them. We put the power seats in it with lumbar. There is lumbar in these seats here. They are basically come out of a late model vehicle that we have had our upholsterer in our local town do it. His name is Bill Chalet. Bill's been doing our stuff for many, many years. You'll notice that he done all the door panels. It's all his design. Put the logo in the floor mats. We had an embroidery company do that, build our own floor mats, and then had Bill obviously put the binding on them. Power windows, everything on that's power vintage air, decoded dash, backup camera, pretty much all the amenities you need for today's comfort to go cruising. If you notice on this convertible top, this is a top that's a hand-built top. It was built by Fusco's Upholstery down in Pompano, Florida. They have been putting my tops on for several years. And if you notice how tight the tops fit, this is why we go with a hand-built top versus a regular production style over-the-counter top. So here in the back, we obviously put the late model style pop-open gas lid, done away with the old stock square lid. Went again, go more modern with it. The interior again back here was done by Bill Chalet. Done put the Chevrolet script logos in the back panel. This is all hand-built stuff here. If you notice on the rear bumper, that's a smoothie rear that's been cut and integrated the station wagon center section in it. Mainly sole purpose is to put the place to put a tag. So we took two bumpers and built one. So at this point we have showed the car and taken it to several shows and done very well with it. It's time to turn it over to the new owner. At this point he will take the car now and he will enjoy it and put it on the road and have fun with it. That's what it's meant to do.